Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Django tutorial, and thank you for joining me, FK Learner, again on the next session. So today, as earlier we were talking about CRUD operations, we had talked about create, read. Now we'll be working on the update operation. So we'll keep it simple, and this is what is the simple example that we are going to do. We are going to start the Python shell, then import your model, then fetch the records, and that's what we are going to do in this demo. So I've already opened the pie chart, and the pie chart, you can see I'm now going to call open the shell. So I'll write on py manage.py here. Once this is open, then I have to import my model. Then one.models import demo one. I hit enter. Then I write down x equal to my demo one dot objects dot all, and I want the value number 4 from there, and I hit enter and I write down x dot employees, or let's just see. If I just write down x and hit enter, what do I get? It is saying that it is giving me the object at step 5. So we're very sure that what we have is I'm going to write down employee first name and hit enter. This should give me copy. So let's be more specific this time. So I'll write down employee first name is equal to CRUD, and I hit enter, and then I say it's dot save. Having done this, this would have updated the value. But in order to check whether that has been done or not, I'll write down dot one objects dot all dot value. Enter. What's the problem? Objects, query string, object has no attribute values. Yes, that's where I was wrong. So it has to be values, and hit enter. So we see instead of Gopi Tatya, it becomes Radha Tatya there in the ID5. So that was a small demo that I wanted to show you. And these are the commands that I've executed. So with that, I come to the end of this session as well. And I thank you for listening to me and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write me in YouTube comments or email me to divklearner@gmail.com. So with that, have a good day. Bye-bye.